Hey, welcome back to the episode 1 of VADER IMMORTAL walkthrough. This is going to be part 5 of our series. We're keeping the videos short just to make them easier to watch for you guys. Recently we have found our lightsaber and we found the priestess that we were going down into the caverns to find. So let's go ahead and pick it up right where we left off.
Hi. Are you the priestess? Violet said we should give you this, that you'd help us escape?
We don't have much time. I must help you understand. Once, our world Mustafa was green, filled with life. Lady Kovacs abided here with her husband, Sir Dorwin, living in peace with my people. The bright star was our most sacred object. Its energy nourished our planet. One day, our world was attacked. Lady Kovacs' husband fell in battle. She stole the bright star, believing it would restore her husband to life. She created the Eon End, a terrible machine. It reduced our world to the wasteland you see now. The bright star is hidden beneath us, somewhere within Lady Kovacs' sanctum. Vader has the only key. But he needs a descendant of the ladies to wield it. Vader is here. Help him retrieve the bright star. Our best chance is to follow and take it from him. In our hands, the bright star could heal our planet.
Wait, retrieve the bright star? Oh, hold on. That wasn't the deal. No.
Circumstances have changed.
No,
Destiny has bound us together now, and our future is in your hands. Fate has chosen you.
Oh, great. Thanks for stopping by. Because you know what I wanted? I wanted a lot of fate. I thought that would be fun, you know, some future. Oh my. Lord Vader, it wasn't our fault. The Mustafarian forced us to help him.
Do not insult me with excuses. You know what I seek. Take the artifact key. Open the sanctum lock now. Protect the prisoner. You have acquitted yourself well. I will not be denied. You will help seize the Bright Star. I sense a latent force ability within you. Follow me, and I will instruct you in its ways. You will need the Force if you are to survive the path ahead.
Alright everyone, that's going to wrap up part 5 and the total series for episode 1 of Vader Immortal. So if you guys want to see episodes 2 and 3, let us know down in the comments. Anything else you want to see, let us know. As always, we appreciate any feedback. If you like what you guys saw, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll get more content out to you guys as soon as we can. As always, have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.